Welcome to this quick guide on improving your VLC mobile viewing experience. If you ever felt that the subtitle background is too light or too dark, this video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to adjust subtitle background opacity easily in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open the VLC app on your mobile device. Then look at the top left corner and tap the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling down. Tap on Subtitles. Now, make sure the subtitle background option is turned on. You will now see the opacity slider. Drag the slider to the left to make the subtitle background more transparent. Drag it to the right to make the background more solid or darker. Once you're satisfied with the level of opacity, simply go back. Your settings are saved automatically. And that's how you adjust subtitle background opacity in VLC Mobile. It's quick, simple, and gives you better control over readability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.